A lot of people wonder how good are kneeling chairs. So in this video, I wanted to review the Noble Kneeling Chair from Vilno. This is an ergonomic chair that's designed to help you sit more comfortably throughout your day. So I wanted to test it and I wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on how this product really performs. When you first receive your package and have to assemble it, it's very straightforward on what you have to do. It comes with a piece of paper that is a guide to help you put it together, and it also comes with all the parts and all the tools to actually assemble it. The steps are very simple. All you have to do is basically connect bolts, and that's it. You just assemble your chair. There's only a few pieces, so it's not that hard. Once you get your product put together, this is what it ends up looking like. The frame of this chair is made out of wood. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but it feels durable. It doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart. And something that I really like about this design is that it's not bulky and it's not heavy. So since there's only a few pieces that you have to assemble together, it's really lightweight actually to lift up, to set down. It's not a heavy item at all to carry around for you if you have to move it from room to room or pick it up if you have to vacuum or anything like that. This product also comes in a variety of different colors. The wood frame remains the same, but you can change the color of the seat cushion and the kneeling cushions if you want to. It comes in blue, green, or black. I got the black one because my house is mainly grays and blacks. One of the things that I really think is nice about this design is that the cushions are really big. They are very comfortable and they allow for a lot of absorption so that it's not uncomfortable sitting on a wooden plank or anything like that. So the cushions actually allow a lot of support for your knees and for your butt when you're sitting down, which I like the thickness of them. It makes it feel a lot more comfortable. And it's the right height. I didn't feel like it was wrong. I didn't feel like I was like crouching at my desk or I was sitting above it way too high. It feels like the comfortable height for me. Another thing I wanted to talk about was the difference between this kneeling chair and a regular office chair. So right away, one of the things I notice is this product does a little better job of putting you in a better posture while you work. Because of the way this product is designed, it almost puts you in a nice upright posture while you're kneeling forward, which is a lot better for your back and your neck. Instead of like a normal office chair, you can start to slump as you work for longer hours and it can put you in a forward position, which is not good long term. I used to work in physical therapy and I would see patients all the time with neck pain or low back pain because they're sitting in a lazy boy, they're sitting in a sofa, they're sitting in a poor position for long periods of time. I feel like what this does is it promotes you to remind you to draw up taller, and it kind of just helps assist you with that. You don't have to work so hard for it because you're kneeling and it rocks forward. So the way it you're sitting / kneeling, it kind of just helps you to be in a better position. Another difference between this and a regular office chair though is that an office chair has a backrest, which that will allow you to kind of relax and take breaks throughout your day, where this is more about actively sitting and being more attentive. So there's pros and cons to both, but this definitely has helped me with my posture and maintain it a lot better form throughout my day versus a normal office chair. But if I do want to take a break or relax a little bit, sometimes I will use an office chair to do that. The next thing I want to talk about is how it actually feels to use this chair. So first of all, like I said before, the cushions are really thick, so it's really comfortable to sit on. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that it's really not like a full kneel or a full seat. It's kind of like your weight is distributed between the both of them, and you can kind of shift your weight forward or backwards if you want to sit more or kneel more, but it's kind of a middle point where it's not really stressful on my legs and it's not really stressful on my butt to sit in this position. Also, something else that I wanted to point out is that you don't always have to sit in this position all the time. You can move and shift around, you can put your leg up on the kneeling pad, you can move different positions and it's still really comfortable. You don't always have to be in this position. If you're getting value out of this video, hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. One of my most favorite things about this chair is the ability to move around while I sit here, which is like active sitting. I can literally move and sway and shift my body weight. I love that it has this rocking capability because I'm someone who gets very antsy. If I'm sitting in one position for too long, I'm like fidgeting and getting all squirmy. But when I have something to just move and adjust my body position, it feels so much better. I'm able to sit and focus for longer periods of time without getting distracted because my low back is hurting or my neck is hurting or I have to shift positions. This allows me to just just keep moving, but still being able to work at a desk without getting distracted and uncomfortable. One thing you got to be careful of though is when you're kneeling on it, it's totally fine. I never feel like I'm going to fall forwards out of the chair, but if you want to sit back and almost like sit in this chair, the thing you have to be careful about is if you sit too far back, you can almost tip out of it. Now, not a lot of people probably use that this way. Like most people are probably kneeling like a normal person. They're not sitting backwards. But I did want to point that out. Like maybe if in the future model they could put like legs on it or something so that I can rock all the way back and not tip over like that. That would be really nice, but I doubt a lot of people are using this device like that. I think most people are probably kneeling and in this position, but I just wanted to point that out so you are aware of it. To me, this chair feels like it's pretty sturdy. I don't feel like I'm gonna fall out of it or it's gonna break on me if I continue to rock in it, so that's really nice. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this product. I really enjoy that it's ergonomically made so that I sit in a better posture and positioning throughout my day. And then I also really like that it has these thick cushions. That is super comfortable for me when I'm sitting for long periods and I'm working on my computer because I work from home. So I really enjoy that. And my favorite thing about it is that I can do active sitting. I can be more active while I'm sitting there. I don't have to just sit in a static position all day, but I can rock, I can move, and I can just move more freely. So those are the things that I really enjoy about this chair. If you're interested in this chair, I'll put a link in the description below so that you can check it out for yourself and read more about it. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on another one.